You go, Miss Bethany.
Hello, 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 everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you, dear precious soul. If you have found this video, if someone has shared it with you, it is because they are inviting you to consider joining a very special mission and a very special team. And I have the great privilege and honor of having a sister reunited from many past lives. And her name is Kimberly Sanders. And she and I have found each other again in this life after serving humanity in past lives as temple priestesses. And now, whether you believe that or not, it doesn't matter. What we have formed in this life together is a very sacred bond, and it is around our shared mission of calling in as many earth angels, earth guardians, wellness warriors as we can to partner with us on a mission to help end suffering in this world and thereby ushering in world peace, one person at a time, helping themselves to heal, and then realizing that there's nothing better on this earth than to reach out and share your love that you found for yourself with everyone
Mm.
that you can reach. And so this is my beautiful Kimberly Sanders. And I want you to meet her because she is the beautiful leader of this community, of this family. She is the one that has given birth to it. And she is truly an angel on earth. And she will help you to peel back all the layers of any reason why you think you don't deserve to love yourself in the most divine perfection ever. And she will just, she's my mentor. She's like, there's no real words. She's gonna come on and I'm gonna ask her to share with us from her perspective this beautiful magic carpet ride, as she calls it. Thank you, Kimberly.
Thank you, Bethany. And here we are together, the mirroring of hearts that care so deeply about the awakening and the raising of the vibration of our own re-remembering of who we truly are. Because once we get to do that, we have this inner knowing and we have a dedication to our own self-care practices. And in that, we are lessening every single ounce of weight in every single person's life and of this planet. When we feed and nourish and detoxify our bodies with the purest plants from this earth, we get to be light workers because we are actually ingesting the light. We actually get to drink liquid light from live, dehydrated, regeneratively grown superfood nutrition that this planet has to offer us as her love for her food that she's created for us. And we are people that are here. We've been sold so many things in order to feel good, to look good, to be good. And we're here to do the most radical thing on the planet is feed ourselves with the cleanest food, detoxify ourselves with the cleanest food, and really be able to bring even hydration, the most high quality hydration, and be able to download the frequencies of the sun and this earth. And so when we get to have these modalities come in and really share with the people our actual example of what we're doing in our daily self-care, we call in the people that are ready to step forward into leadership with their own example of how they're truly taking care of themselves, how we're nourishing ourselves, how we're nourishing our community, and how we stand in a place where I say that I like to build the stage for you all and hold the light just right. Because when you see the true essence of yourself and you have this depth of trust within yourself that you've let go of the man-made toxins and you've let go of the soothing methods that we were sold as we were young, that these are the the things that bring you love. These are the things that bring connection. These are the ways that people will like you. When really, when we release all of that and we truly love ourselves, we get to be these people that can truly hold the mirror for one another. We can offer our heart and our soul and live our divine purpose. And so I am so fortunate and so blessed that that is my work. I released being a hairdresser of 28 years, but I realized that what I just shared with you right now is what I used to hold space and be space for with the people sitting in that chair. Their reflection was coming back, and I would be present to their beauty and their divine grace, and we would have their hair perfect and their makeup and their nails and their all the things. But what if the inside of you was what was bringing the effervescent light and the re-remembering of who you are, rather than needing to cover or change the outer appearance? We get to always have fun with that too, because that's what we get to be this lifetime in a body, which is lovely. But what if the inside of us had the least amount of man-made products and the most amount of earth-based products and earth-based beautiful goodness, and our gut microbiome is in check, and our cells are talking to one another, and our cognitive understanding of all of it, and we are what we eat. So, and then we are who the 5 people that we hang around with the most. So in this community, we take time to be able to really cultivate our own self-care practices and our own belief system in this family of beautiful, harmonious, divine earth guardians. And we witness each other step into the greatest versions of ourselves, and we hold that space for one another. So if you're a person that loves to take care of yourself, and also, or maybe you haven't even had time to take care of yourself, so many people don't even have the time to make something good for themselves. And what we have to offer takes so little time. It offers so much nutritional value, and it makes it so that you get to be a leader of your community and family, and we get to witness you shine. So if any of this feels good, I'd love to turn it back over to you, Bethany. Thank you for being this space guardian with me. Oh, you're muted.
So this is just one of my beautiful sisters in our family, our community that we get to hang out with on several incredible training and community calls that we have an option to have a family reunion every time. And so yes, truly, if you have a beautiful heart to help others heal, and you really don't see other people as others, we are all one another. So we are calling in those who have that healer's heart, and you know that you're here to make a difference in the world, and you're just looking for the right community, you're looking for the right tools, you're looking for the right solutions, and you are ready to activate yourself and move beyond the old programming. And our community, we offer so much, but one of the things that we offer is ongoing training that includes hypnosis sessions, Reiki sessions. We have light code activation sessions. This is no ordinary team. This is an incredible family, and we are a light worker family, and we're taking our mission here seriously, that we are working our businesses as if they truly are legitimate businesses, and we understand the impact that we can have on this earth when we just plug in and we come close to the fire with our brethren who are here for a great divine purpose, which is to seek first the peace within in our own hearts and our self-love. Remember, remember, remember. These are the people that we are speaking to and we are calling forward. If you are truly here to remember, this is a tribe that will support you in every possible way. So many, many blessings to you. I send my great love and gratitude to you for choosing to hear our hearts. So much love to you. Would you like to say anything in closing, Kimberly?
I'm so thankful for you, Miss Bethany, and for anyone watching and sharing, really tune in to all of it. And we're here also to allow ourselves to truly focus on the lives that we are choosing to live. There's many ways, there's so many different things that have been said of like looking back, like on things that we feel aren't in our lives anymore and like longing for that. And it's like, what if we decided that the only thing that we're focusing on is the life that we are creating and the life that we know that we're worthy and deserving of having? And so all these different distractions and all these different things that are happening right now on the earth, we could look at all of those different things and lower a vibration that we know is no longer a part of our way of being or treating ourselves, and we allow ourselves in this community to truly focus and take true devotion to focusing on what we are here to create. So thank you so much. And we're just so grateful to be here together.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Namaste.
Namaste.